Hello and welcome to Cadillac Live. My name's Zane, I'm going to be your live agent today. And we're going to spend the next couple of minutes looking at the totally redesigned 2021 Cadillac Escalade. The version of the vehicle we're looking at right now is the Sport trim, and that gives us a black gloss mesh grille and black trim. If we were to go with the premium luxury version of the vehicle, we'd get a galvano chrome grille to go along with chrome trim. There are two different engine options to let you know about. There's a 6.2-liter V8 engine, which produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This features an all-new dynamic fuel management system and engine start-stop to help improve efficiency. There's also an available 3-liter inline-6 Duramax turbo diesel engine, which produces 277 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Both of these engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. You'll notice they're 22-inch wheels, which are standard across all trims. The available new rear seat entertainment features a pair of 12.6-inch diagonal independent touch displays with navigation as well as streaming capability to play games, music, and videos through HDMI and USB inputs. The screens can also mirror Android smartphones. Additionally, destination suggestions can be sent by rear passengers to the front navigation screen for the driver to accept or decline. The vehicle also features an available panoramic sunroof. Let's take a look at the cargo space. The vehicle itself has gotten 8 inches longer, with 4.9 of those inches being in the wheelbase. That, in concert with the new independent rear suspension, gives the benefit of extra third-row legroom and extra cargo space. We can also knock all of these seats down from back here as well using these buttons. If we wanted to get an 8th seat in the vehicle, we can get a bench in that second row and knock all the seats down from here as well. The 2021 Escalade features the first true hands-free driving assistance feature for compatible highways. Escalade offers several new enhancements, including lane change on-demand functionality. This vehicle also features the available AKG 36-speaker studio reference sound system. The 2021 Escalade showcases the industry's first curved OLED screen with more than 38 inches of total diagonal display. This one-of-a-kind customizable display has twice the pixel density of a 4K TV. The vehicle also comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility to go along with a rotary control dial and voice commands to allow you to interact with the infotainment system. The available augmented reality-enabled navigation uses live street views with directional overlays and more to enhance driving directions. The available surround vision employs 4 exterior cameras to provide a 2-megapixel bird's-eye view of the scene around the vehicle. There's also the available rear camera mirror. We've only just begun to scratch the surface on the 2021 Escalade. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to call Cadillac Live and you can have your own personalized tour.